exercise, so we finish it. But this is the last time I'm describing adjustments. I did it, okay? If you have any problems, then you have tutorials. So please ask. You can do again the same exercise if you do not understand them. So tutorials are for this, okay? To go in depth, not to go in depth, to exercise, because then I have to go on with the program. Okay. So, did you finish now you had the exercise yesterday. Let me see if I have it here. No. Okay. Oh, thank you. Record transaction. I will do it. Yes. Here we are now.
Recording in progress.
I forgot. Sorry. Okay. We are talking about the exercise we were trying to solve yesterday. We could see the first part. Did you close the first? At least the first financial report without any problem. Okay, there were only 2 adjustments and entries to be done. Did you? So the last 3, they were like this. So I don't repeat everything you have. We had the building depreciation of 700, okay? So depreciation, so we have depreciation of building, as you want. This is an expense, so 700 is coming here. And accumulated depreciation. That is a sort of reduction of assets, okay, 700 on this side. Okay, this is depreciation is going into the income statement as an expense at the end. Instead, accumulated depreciation, as it is reducing the amount of the building asset, is going into the balance sheet. Then the last doubtful debt, 300, doubtful debt, or you can also call it expected losses on receivable. I believe you have read the part of adjustments in your book in the Appendix A, okay? They are calling them doubtful debt. And it is an expense. They are, I repeat, expected losses on receivable. The amount is written on the expenses side, and it is 300. And on the account that is called the provisions for doubtful debt, 300 on the right side. This is seen as a sort of asset reduction because it is going to reduce the amount of receivable. This is the part of receivable that you expect they will not be paid in the future, okay? So doubtful debt is going into the income statement as an expense pertinent to the period, although it is expected, and instead provisions for doubtful debt is going into the balance sheet, okay, where receivables are, okay? They are going to reduce the amount of receivable. Now, the last one, I explained it yesterday, I repeat it here. the adjustment for taxes. So we expect to pay taxes related to this year, but we will pay them next year, but they are a cost and expense of this period, okay, because they're related to the profit of this period. So we write, it is a sort of accrual, okay, we integrate these taxes here, and we write an account tax expenses. The amount is 800 as an expense on that side. And provisions for tax expenses. Okay, that is a sort of liability, can be also called a sort of tax debt or debt for tax. Something like this. Okay, that is, it is an accrual in a sense, 800. Tax expenses is going into the income statement to affect the economic result of the period. Debt for taxes or provisions for tax or accruals for taxes, it is an account going into the balance sheet among liabilities. Okay, this is done. Here we have all our accounting system. So all accounts, the so-called ledger account. And at the end of the year, we include, transferred them into the two final big accounts that are income statement and balance sheet at the end of the year. So here we have the income statement. Before you prepare the income statement, year 2021. Okay. And then balance sheet at the end of the same year. Okay, so which are the components of the income statement? Okay, did you calculate the profit? Who was able to calculate the profit? Can you tell me the profit? Who is telling me the profit? No one tried to calculate it. Yes? Very good. Good. This is the final result. Good. What's your name? Gioia. Is there someone else having the same economic result than Gioia? Okay, okay, good, good. Okay. Other economic result? Okay, so the result it is correct. So very good, Gioia. And now I write, I try to use that one, but yesterday they were trying to show me, but it's not working again. Let me try the last time. Oh, wait. Okay. You can see, no? Maybe at home they see this. Sorry, at home, which kind of whiteboard are you seeing? The one with the My T account or a white one? Both. Both. A white, your profile. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. So you can see it. Let me see if I can do this here.